to Wishtrend TV. This is Beauty Hackers and it's Kasper with you guys today. So it's been a long time since I've been giving you guys these beauty tips, and I hope you guys enjoy the things I've prepared for you guys today. And if you haven't watched our last episode on bad breaths, then please check that out as well. And also follow us on Instagram on Wishtrend TV. I don't know about y'all, but I'm very obsessed with makeup, and especially lip makeup is really difficult for me because it's really hard to hydrate it properly. There's not a lot of oil in this area, and if you don't moisturize, you could easily see the dead skin cells. Not only does it hurt to tear off the skin, but also it looks patchy afterwards. The lipstick and the lip stain just looks bad. So today we've prepared some ways to keep your lips moisturized and hydrated, and also some makeup tutorials too. So stay tuned. The first step is to exfoliate the lips. I don't usually go in with lip scrubs, and I usually just use a cotton pad and some toner after I wash my face or get out of the shower and gently rub the lips using the cotton pads. So shall we go look under the microscope and see what my lips look like? Guys, you could see. So I can see little bits of dryness around the edges of my mouth, and since I just removed my lips using a cleansing wipe, keep in mind that my lips aren't that dry right now, but I could still see some crackling around the sides of my lips. So let's see if this DIY lip scrub will actually work. So you need brown sugar that's rich in mineral and vitamin, and honey with moisturizing effect. How to? Number 1. Mix 1 part of brown sugar and 1 part of honey. Number 2. Put a steam towel on top of your lips for 2 minutes so that dead skin cells soak up the moisture and become easy to exfoliate. Number 3. Apply the DIY brown sugar honey pack on your lips and wait for 15 minutes. Number 4. Gently rub your lips with your finger. Number 5. Wash it off with lukewarm water, and that's it for exfoliation with no irritation. So let's go check if it worked. So the dead skin cells were definitely removed. I can feel that there aren't any dead skin cells left on the surface of my lips, but you guys have to remember that the lips don't have any sebaceous glands, so after exfoliation, you guys must remember to moisturize. Hack number 2, sleep in beauty. So it's best to regularly exfoliate your lips, but we know that that's a little difficult, especially if you're busy, and I don't do that either. So let me give you a tip that you can use while you're sleeping to exfoliate your lips gently. You need a lip balm or Vaseline, cotton pads, and cotton swabs. How to? Number 1. Apply a generous amount of lip balm or Vaseline. Number 2. Go to sleep and you'll see that dead skin cells are soaked in the morning. Number 3. Soak a cotton pad in a toner and gently rub the dead skin cells. Number 4. For the inside of the lips, use a cotton swab and roll them very gently. Number 5. Moisturize once again with a lip balm. I found this gem while looking into lip moisturizers, and it's a lip patch. Isn't it really cute? It's a lot larger than the size of your lips, so you could take care of the area around your lips generously. Just place this on top of your lips for 10 to 15 minutes and your lips will feel super hydrated. So now that you're done with exfoliation and moisturization, it's time to apply your lipstick impeccably. But have you ever had that problem of your lipstick not going on properly or feeling a little blotchy? If you've had this problem, then please pay attention and listen to this step. Hack number 3, essential step of lip makeup. Here you need a cushion, powder, and a powder brush. Number 1, use a cushion to cover your lips. When you hold the cushion, try to use 3 fingers and hold it to use only the strength of the tip of the middle finger and dab gently and lightly around the edges of your lips. If you dab too much, the base can be mixed with the lipstick color and you won't get the clear color you want. Number 2, dab around your lip line. Don't forget to stretch the corner of your lips here as well. Number 3, this is not the end. Use a brush to apply powder. At this step, shake off the brush to only apply a small amount of the product. If you go through this step, your concealer or foundation won't mix with the lipstick and you can get long-lasting and vivid color payoff. However, if you don't have any powder or a powder brush, you can just use a thin tissue. Put the tissue on your lips and gently press down with the coated surface or puff so you can get rid of unnecessary oil. Hack number 4, plumping makeup. To get thick lips, you usually need to get cosmetic procedures or get lip fillers. But if you're too scared to do that, then try using this method. You need 2 shades of lipstick, a lip brush, and a highlighter. If you followed up to the tips that I just gave you, you're good to go. Number 1, overline the lip a little and let the color show well. If it's too hard, you can use brush for the lips. Number 2, apply a lipstick that has similar but darker shade of the lip liner on the inner lips and use a lip brush to add gradation. Number 3, dab the highlighter gently on the middle of the lips only. Ta-da! Now we have thick, plump lips. Mwah! But actually in Korea, the gradient lip makeup that I usually wear more often is more trendy and popular. So we've prepared another makeup tutorial for you guys. Hack 5, glossy gradient lip makeup. You need 2 tints or lipsticks, a lip oil, and also a lip brush. In here, the soft textured one should have darker color than the matte one, because if you apply the soft tint or lipstick twice, the one underneath can be smudged, so we're going to use the matte one underneath instead. Like the plumping makeup pack, you also need to cover your lips with base makeup. Number 1, dab the matte lipstick all over your lips. Number 2, then dab the lip line a little to make them blend it out. You can dab with your ring finger gently to make it more natural. Number 3, now apply the darker, soft textured tint or lipstick around the inner lips. Number 4, here as well, use your finger to blend it. If you want a more natural gradation, apply once more on the inner lips and blend again to create another gradation on the center. Number 5, finish up with a lip oil to make it look more glossy. Ta-da! Now we have a glossy gradient lip. So today we've prepared 5 tips for you guys to get soft and kissable lips. On top of that, we also want to stop some bad habits that can ruin your lips. So the first one is biting the skin off your lips. I have a bad habit of doing this too. I keep biting and I keep peeling, but the skin on our lip is the thinnest on our body, and if you keep doing this, it could hurt the skin, and in worst cases, you can get exfoliative cheilitis, so please stop biting your lips, guys. Number 2, licking your lips. So when your lips feel really dry, you can get into the habit of licking your lips because your lips feel moisturized temporarily, but the saliva evaporates, taking the moisture away, making your lips even more dry. Also, the germs in your saliva can go into the lips, and this could actually make your lips infected. So try not to lick your lips. And last but not least, lip cleansing. Remember guys, to take off your lip makeup completely. In order to stay away from lip pigmentation, you need to use a lip makeup remover to completely get rid of lip makeup. So that's it for today, and I really hope that these lip care hacks and lip makeup tutorials help you guys get moist and kissable lips. We've been wanting to give you guys some makeup tips for so long, and I'm very happy to give them to you guys. If you have any more questions, or if you just really liked our episode, then please comment down below. Also, if you're worried about your LTE running low, then do not worry. Just follow us on our podcast and listen to us like the radio. If you have further questions, you always know you can look us up on Wishtrend TV and our answers will be there. We'll be back with more life-changing tips in our future Beauty Hackers video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!